Hi guys, this is Sonia. Welcome back to the channel. Today I want to teach you the pattern of a Tunisian flower. This video is detected to you. So let's see. Start the slip knot and chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chains. Insert your hook in first chain, then make a slip stitch. Chain 1, then make 10 single crochets in this ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Make a slip stitch in first single crochet. Chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chains. Skip one stitch, then make a single crochet in next stitch. Chain 5, skip one stitch, then make a single crochet in next stitch. Chain 5, skip one stitch, then make a single crochet in next stitch. You should have 5 spaces. Make a single crochet, chain 5, and the last time make a slip stitch in first chain. Make a slip stitch, make a slip stitch in first space, chain 2, insert your hook in first chain and pull up loop, insert your hook into the circle and pull up loop, yarn over, pull through first loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, chain 1. You will see loops that are horizontal. Insert your hook into the first loop and pull up loop. 1, 2 loops on your hook, insert your hook in next loop and pull up loops, 3 loops on your hook. Insert your hook into this circle and pull up loop. You'll have 4 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 1 loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, chain 1. Insert your hook into the horizontal loops. Insert your hook into the first loop and pull up loop, 1, 2. Insert your hook in next loop and pull up loop, 3, 4. Insert your hook into the circle and pull up loop 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yarn over, pull through first loop, yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, pull through 2, chain 1, and repeat. 1 loop, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Yarn over, pull through first loop, yarn over, pull through 2, 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 chain 1. 1 loop, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Yarn over, pull through 1 loop, yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, pull through 2. To make it not sharp, continue 2 more rows with 7 loops until it is round. Don't chain 1, insert your hook in second loop and pull up loop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Yarn over, pull through first loop, yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, pull through 2. Once more, insert your hook in second loop and pull up loop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Yarn over, pull through first loop, yarn over, pull through 2. Now we want to reduce. Insert your hook in second chain and pull through 2. Insert your hook in third chain and pull 1, 2, 3 loops on your hook. 4, 5, and 6. Yarn over, pull through first loop, yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Insert your hook in second loop and pull through 2 loops. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Yarn over, pull through first loop, yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, pull through 2. Insert your hook in second loop and pull through 2. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Yarn over, pull through first loop, yarn over, pull through 2. Insert your hook in second loop and pull through 2. 1, 2, and 3. Yarn over, pull through first loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Insert your hook in second loop and pull through 2. Insert your hook in this circle and pull up loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Insert your hook in next space, then make a slab stitch. Chain 2 and repeat. I crocheted 5 petals.
At the end,
then make a slab stitch.
in this
stitch. Make a slab stitch. Chain 1. Cut the yarn off, then hide your yarn. I appreciate for your consideration and for your time. I hope you like this video. I'll be back very soon with more educational videos. Bye!